Welcome. Today we will learn how to register on Forex4money website. Now let's search on Google Forex4money. You landed on the official website of Forex4money. Click on the top right button, register then. Create your Forex4money profile. Enter your first name, last name, email address and create a strong password and enter your password again, then click on the continue button. Enter your residential address like street address, postal code, city, state and select your country. Then enter your date of birth and phone number and click on continue button. Then select your account type like mini, standard or premium. We suggest you to mark these options so you can receive news, updates and daily technical analysis. Then select the leverage according to your risk factor, but we suggest you to go with 1500 and click on the submit button. That's all. You have successfully registered on the Forex4money website.